So underneath this hood here is some of our hydraulic components, the PVG valves. To get to those, you would pull this pre-cleaner off. You would unlatch these T-latches. Oops. Sorry, this thing's got to come off too. You roll that back. It has a chain on it to latch. To keep from blowing over. Underneath here you'll see an overflow for the radiator. These are the PVG valves that run your conveyors, your hoppers, your augers. All your hydraulic PVG valves are right here in a row. You've got a air cleaner indicator here that you can reset. The filters are inside this box. Walk around to this side. You can pull the cover off, and you have the engine air intake filters.